The process of transporting goods from an origin to a predefined destination is primarily done through three different ways.
Number 1. Sent by airmail. Number 2. Sent by surface mail. And number 3. To ship.
United States Postal Service, known as USPS, has 6 different classes of mail, each with different delivery times, pricing, and requirements.
Number 1. Priority Mail Express. Number 2. Priority Mail. Number 3. First Class Mail. Number 4. Periodicals. Number 5. USPS Marketing Mail. And number 6. Package Services.
Postal Clerk and Customer, Episode number 1.
Good morning. Welcome to Royal Mail. How may I help you? What can I do for you today? How can I help you? Or, what can I help you with?
I'd like to send this parcel or package to Japan, please.
Sure. How would you like to send it? Would you like to send it by Priority Mail Express or Priority Mail? Sure. How would you like to send it? Would you like to send it by regular or express delivery? Sure. How would you like to send it?
What are my choices for sending the package? Or, what are your delivery services? Or you can tell the postal clerk, I'd like your fastest delivery service, please.
Our fastest domestic delivery service in the US is Priority Mail Express at the moment.
What's the difference between them?
Well, Priority Mail Express is guaranteed to be delivered up to 1 or 2 business days, whereas Priority Mail might take a little longer, like 2 to 3 business days. Besides, Priority Mail Express is more costly than Priority Mail.